Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make a quick and simple recipe. This is juicy chicken shashlik. So let's get started. The ingredients are 1 kg chicken boneless. For spices I have 1 tablespoon chicken tikka masala, half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon garam masala powder, half tablespoon cumin coriander powder, and I also have 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and chopped mixed vegetables. So let's get started. Add all the ingredients inside the bowl with the chicken. And mix well. After you mix well, put cling film on top and then put it in your fridge for 3 to 4 hours. I have dipped the wooden sticks into water. I'm now going to put the marinated mixture through the sticks. I have cut the sticks in half and put the vegetables and chicken through them. I have done it in a specific order, so 2 vegetables and then chicken, 2 vegetables and chicken, and then so on. Now I'm going to cook them. I have put 2 tablespoons of oil on the tawa. These are the end results. It looks very tasty and very delicious, especially because I marinated the vegetables. If you do try out my recipe, make sure you tag me on Instagram or Facebook. Other than that, make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.